Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to share a screen with audio on Messenger. First, you need to open your Messenger account or launch the Messenger. Click a friend and you can start calling him or her by clicking this phone icon here. So as you can see, when the person starts receiving your call, you can now click this three dots here to start sharing your screen. Now you have options on what to share. But first, you need to click the share icon here, click start now, and then start sharing. Now you can click stop if you wanted to, but let's try. So you can share anything here, suggested, reels, watched. You can even play games together with your friend. For example, I want to share a video for her. So as you can see, both of us are watching the video, or if we wanted to watch reels or anything. No, I wanted to play a game with her. So all I do is that I just click share and then click a game and then click start. Now both of us can play this game using our audio screen on Messenger. As easy as that. And we can do more like collecting other games and try these collaboration tools, create poll, timer, whatsoever. So there are lots of things that you can do when you share audio in Messenger. And that's how it is. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.